I'm on the Origin Amenity Solutions stand, and I'm with Glen Howard, and impressive piece of kit this, Glen. It's the tiny mobile robot, and I understand that's going really well at the moment.
We've now got in the region of 150 robots in the UK with various customers, ranging from schools, contractors, councils, local authorities, sports clubs, local sports clubs, and we've even now got 2 or 3 machines in with the football grant scheme as well.
Now, I was at the at Harrogate in March when you had the 100th one at that point, so it's obviously going down very, very well. This is a more up-to-date version, the 2.0, I would imagine you'd call it. What are the additions or the improvements that have been made to it?
Yeah, so we've now got the new Pro X machine. So basically we've got a whole new electronics package inside the robot, which is bespoke for the robot. We've got some new features where we've got the prime and the nozzle function as little buttons on the back of the robot. And then we've got some new tablet software where we can now multi-select pitches, and we've got a paint function, so it tells you whether the machine's running out of paint and stuff like that. So it's just a new update of software and machine, really.
Now, it's a very conservative industry, this. There'll be a lot of people who have looked at them and thought, oh no, that's not for us. How would you sell a machine like this to somebody who's more used to being who's more old school, more traditional ways with lines and all sorts of things?
Yeah. Well, I think the main one is once we go and see the people and explain to them how much time it saves them, how much labour. It's a one-person job now, not a two-person job with strings and tape measures. And once we sort of put those costs to them of what that actually costs the end user, the machine in a very short amount of time can actually pay for itself.
And how much time does it actually, for let's choose a athletic track, how much time would be saved using one of these?
So roughly an athletics track would normally take 2 people roughly around about 6 hours to put in. The tiny mobile robot Pro X can do it in an hour and a half with one person.
And that leaves those people plenty of time to do other roles.
So, they can either do other jobs, whether it's cutting grass or picking litter on site, or they can actually mark 4 athletics tracks in a day now with one person rather than 1 athletics track with 2 people.
And you must think back, we were talking earlier about when we started in the industry, the very thought of having a robot going down these jobs would have been mind-blowing.
Yeah. If you'd have asked me 5 years ago if we'd have sold 150 robots at this point, I'd have probably laughed at you. But obviously the technology and the time saving has really pushed the machine forward, and people are accepting it now as part of a daily thing. So yeah. Really
Smashing. Well, thank you very much for giving us a little bit of your time, Glen. It's lovely to speak to you, and it's great to see a machine that's made such a difference to the industry. And we'll leave you on to hopefully have a very exciting couple of days.
Yeah. Hopefully we'll be as busy as we were last year, and hopefully sell a few more while we're here. So yeah, good.
Brilliant. Thanks a lot.
No problem. Thank you.